Hi, today I am going to show you how to install and use WooCommerce Product Carousel Slider Pro plugin. This is an excellent plugin to showcase your products in a very beautiful way that will catch your customer attention and encourage them to buy your products. Now let's see how we can do that. Go to your dashboard and then from plugin menu click add new and then upload your plugin. And click activate. And after activating the plugin, you can see WooCarousel. Click here and then click add new and give a name to your slider. I'm going to give it a name. And for now, let's keep everything as default and click publish. And go to the bottom of your page and copy this shortcode. And you can use this shortcode in your theme. And I'm going to use it on a page that I created earlier. This is an empty page, and I'm going to paste the code here and updating the page. And then view the page. As you can see, we have got a very beautiful slider without having any programming knowledge. Now let's see how we can customize it a bit. This is the setting page for the plugin. From the general settings option, you can customize your general style of your setting of your slider. For example, you can choose from 5 different themes. I'm going to choose Save and then update the page, and you can see this cart button has moved to the right and the price has moved to the left, and you can choose other themes on your own. And display header option allows you to enable or disable the header option of the slider. If I set it to no, then this option, a latest section, will be hidden. Now it is hidden. I'm going to set it to yes because I want to keep it. And this slider, this plugin also offers you 4 different styles for header. You can choose any of them. For example, let's choose header 3 and see the changes. Now the header looks like this. You can also change this title. For example, as you can see, it changes. And you can also specify how to query your products from the database, and these are the options you can choose from. For example, you can show products from latest date or oldest date, and on sale products, best selling products. You can also query products from your specific category. For example, let's query products from food category I created earlier, and if I update, I should see products from all foods. Okay, as you can see, I have got from food category. Now there is an option that calls image resizing and crop. This is an excellent option which will crop and resize your image if they are not in proper size. Let me show you in example. If I keep this as no and update it, then you can see the product images are not displaying properly. They are in different sizes and this looks very ugly. And if your product image is not in proper size, then you can choose this option to yes, and you can also specify the width and height of the image to crop and resize them. see our product image has been cropped and are displaying properly. Now this slider setting allows you how to control your slider. So you can enable or disable autoplay. You can also enable or disable stopping on hover. You can also show or hide sale option. The item section allows you to display the number of products you would like to show on desktop screen. For example, if I select 5 here, then you can see 5 images are displayed. By the way, I'm going to keep it to 4. You can also specify the number of items you would like to show on tablet and also on mobile. And the pagination allows you to show the pagination on the bottom of your product slider. Let's see how it works. As you can see, these are the pagination that has been enabled from this setting. Now I'm going to disable it. You can also show the number of pagination, and you can also change the color of the active pagination. And from this style setting, you can customize the way your slider works on the site, and it can also help you to match the slider style to your theme style. For example, let's change the title color. I'm going to change it to blue. Now this should change. As you can see, it has changed. Similarly, you can change the color of different elements on your slider. You can also enable or disable to hide your product title. Let's hide it for now. But this food name should be gone. They are gone. I think it is good to keep them. And you can also change the title color, and you can also enable or disable to show or hide your product price and the size of the text and also the color. You can also enable or disable to show the ratings, and I think it is better to keep them. And you can also change the color of the star ratings. Let's change it to something red and see that in action. As you can see, the color has changed to red. You can also customize the size of the rating. Currently it is set to 1 em. You can set to any size you like. And the display excerpt setting allows you to display or hide the short description, and this means you can display or hide product description, that is this berry roll brought together. These are the excerpt. As you can see, you can hide or display them, but I think it is better to keep them, so I'm going to keep it. And you can also specify the size of the excerpt text, which is short description for your product. And you can also customize the font size in order to match your theme style. You can also change the color of this text. For example, if I give this to blue, now let's see how it works. As you can see, the color has changed. Though this is not a good color, but it will just show you how you can do this. You can also show or hide add to cart button, and you can also customize its size and color. Let's change its color. I'm going to change to something like brown, and let's update it, and you can see the cart button color has changed. You can also change cart button font color, and also ribbon color and ribbon text, and you can also customize the header style. That's how you can customize your slider in order to match your theme style. Now update it. Now let's create another slider for our home page. And let's keep it as default, and I'm going to choose header style 3, and the title should be hot sale, and I'm going to show products from these settings, on sale products, and also from the slider setting I'm going to show 3 products, because my screen is not very big at the moment, so it's a good size to show. Okay, now I'm copying the generated shortcode. I'm going to the home page and edit the page, and I'm pasting the shortcode here. Now if I view the page, you can see the product from sale category are showing here. And the product slider that is on this demo page is completely different than the product slider that is on our home page. Now as you can see that you can create unlimited slider like this and customize every slider in your own ways. And thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and if you have any question about our plugin, then please feel free to contact our support, and we'll be very happy to support your problem. Thank you very much.